Today, I'm going to show you how to add terms and conditions in Wix step by step in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix editor and let your website fully load. On the left-hand side, click Pages and Menu. Next, click Add Page to create a new page for your terms and conditions. Name it Terms and Conditions so it's easy to identify for your visitors. Once the page is created, add a text box to the page. Here, you can either write your terms and conditions manually or copy them from a reliable template. You can format the text, add headings, and make it easy to read. If you want visitors to easily access this page, you can link it in your website footer. To do this, click Menus and Footer, then Add Link, and select your new Terms and Conditions page. Finally, make sure to save your changes and publish your site. And that's it. Your Terms and Conditions page is now added, making your website more professional and transparent. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.